Stop searching because you're about to make the quickest fudge of your life. Hi, I'm Wendy and you're with Wendy and Shannon. 2 layers, just 2 minutes and too good to share. Now let's get started. We're going to start with our rich semi-sweet chocolate layer. Into a microwave safe bowl goes half a can, which is approximately 180 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 225 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and we're going to microwave this now in 30-second bursts for approximately a minute. Now that it's all warm, we're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're also going to toss in 1/4 tablespoon of salted butter. Using a spatula, you're going to stir it all together and watch it turn into the smoothest, glossiest fudge. When making this fudge, instead of using semi-sweet chocolate chips, you could use dark chocolate chips, but I would keep away from milk chocolate chips. Now that we've got this smooth, glossy fudge, we're going to pour it into our lined 8x8 pan, and using the spatula, we're going to spread it out evenly at the bottom of the pan. Now using the spatula, we're also going to make sure that we spread the fudge to all the 4 corners of the pan and that we have an even layer so that when we cut the fudge, we have a distinct difference between the 2 layers. Now we're going to set this aside and we're going to do the exact same thing with the white chocolate. Once again, in a microwave safe bowl, we're going to add half a can, which is approximately 180 grams of sweetened condensed milk. And to that, we're going to add 300 grams of white chocolate chunks or chips. And we're going to microwave this in 30-second bursts for approximately a minute. Now that it's all warm, we're going to add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and half a tablespoon of butter. And the butter is going to give it a lovely glossy color and also help it to set. And once again, using our spatula, we're going to mix it all together till we get a smooth, fudgy mixture. And now you see how easy it is. We just repeated the same process the second time. And if you wanted to add in a bit of festive flavor, you could always add in a dash of peppermint extract. Now all we have to do is take the white chocolate fudge and pour it over the first layer. And once again, using our spatula, we're going to spread it out evenly, making sure to get every corner of the pan and an even layer. And now for a festive touch, we're going to toss on some Christmas sprinkles. I'm going in with the basic Christmas colors of white, green and red. But you could always go in with silver or gold. Now wrap it up with a plastic wrap, place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 2 to 3 hours. And wait for the magic to happen. Once it's firm, gently peel off the parchment paper from the sides. And using a sharp knife, you're going to cut into the desired shape and size of the pieces you like. I'm going in for 1-inch square pieces. And there you have it. Simple ingredients, no stove, no stress, just melt, mix, layer and done. You're going to want to save this recipe for your holiday gifting, dessert plates or late night cravings. And if you try it, come back and tell me how fast it disappeared. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give our 2-minute, 2-layer fudge a taste. And I'm really excited because these look so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take this one. Look at that. Love those 2 layers. Wow, this fudge is absolutely amazing. It's so soft and creamy and it just melts in your mouth and you get the flavor of the dark chocolate and the white chocolate together and it just blends so well. It's definitely a must-try recipe. And if you love this recipe, you're also going to love our other fudge recipes and we will keep the links for those in the description box below for you. And for more goodness this holiday season, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.